Ever found yourself grappling with DAX formulas in Power BI? Perhaps you've spent hours trying to figure out how to implement conditional logic in your reports. Well, the struggle stops here. Today, we're going to delve into the world of if-then-else and switch structures in DAX. Let's start with the if-then-else structure. This is a logical function that checks if a condition is met and then returns a value that corresponds to the result. The structure follows a simple pattern: if condition, result if true, result if false. So, if the condition is met, the formula will return the first result. If not, it will return the second result. Imagine you're analyzing sales data and you want to categorize your products based on their sales. You could use an if-then-else structure to say, if sales are greater than 1,000 high, low. This would return high for products with sales over 1,000 and low for everything else. But what if you have more than two conditions to check? That's where nested if-then-else structures come in. You can nest as many if functions as you need, allowing you to check multiple conditions. The pattern becomes if condition 1, result 1, if condition 2, result 2, else result. It's a powerful feature, but it can get a bit unwieldy with too many nested conditions. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the switch function. The switch function is like a more streamlined, easily readable version of nested if-then-else structures. Instead of nesting multiple if functions, you simply list out all your conditions and their corresponding results in one switch function. The structure is switch, expression, value 1, result 1, value 2, result 2, default value. The expression is what you're evaluating. The values are the different conditions you're checking for. And the results are what you want to return if those conditions are met. And the default value, that's what the function will return if none of the conditions are met. So if we go back to our sales data example, a switch function might look like this. Switch sales greater than 1,000 high, between 500 and 1,000 medium low. It's a clean, clear way to handle multiple conditions. In summary, the if, then else, and switch structures in DAX are invaluable tools for handling conditional logic in Power BI. The if, then else structure allows you to check if a condition is met and return a corresponding result and can be nested for multiple conditions. The switch function provides a more streamlined way to manage multiple conditions with a simpler, more readable structure. Remember, the key to mastering these structures is practice. So, don't be afraid to experiment with different conditions and results in your reports. Happy analyzing!